Startup of the Year Top 100 Spotlight.
The pharma industry is currently in the midst of a revolution, the development of truly innovative therapies to treat the most challenging diseases. However, the manufacturing and IT technologies of the pharma industry are lagging as gaps in digital maturity and supply chain disruptions accelerated by the COVID crisis present significant challenges. CherryCircle was started in 2017 by Yash Sabharwal and Ryan Shillington, who brought their pharma and software experience together to create the QbDVision platform to accelerate the industry's digital maturity. Since then, we have built a diverse team with a strong culture to advance our solutions globally. Join us as we help an industry to make the highest quality products for all of us.
Summit.startupofyear.com.